Okay guys, so I took like a 2-hour nap after school. When I woke up, I had no clue. What do you want?
What?
What?
Can I comment?
I'm recording right now. You interrupted me, Carson. Silly Pumbaa Pig. Okay, so I got about 2-hour nap after school. When I woke up, I had no clue if it was morning or night, and what day it was. Like I figured there's no clue at all that it could possibly be Friday. No way. So yeah, when I woke up, my mind was pretty much racing at least 3.2 trillion miles per hour.
Hyperventilating, and I had no clue what was going on. No clue what day it was, not knowing if it was morning or night. And then I look on my phone, it said 6:27 p.m. p.m.? No. Like, that's not possible. No. So I got pretty worried. I was in full panic mode. You have no clue. It was that bad.
Once again, I forgot to close my closet doors, but that's okay. What were you saying?
I wanna go home. I wanna go home.
So for my next video, I will be showing you guys the experience of a virtual reality headset with some scary scenes. I don't really want to do it, but I'm gonna do it. CPR. He needs revived. Brother, I have no oats. It probably seemed like I wasn't feeling too good earlier, and I apologize for that, but I am feeling much better now. Do you guys think we can make it to 20 or more subscribers before I upload my next video? I guess we'll have to find out. Hopefully. If you guys would like to know whenever I post a new video, just turn on the notifications.